Hello there everyone, my name is Sam Squalo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, this is an ultimate Bitcoin emergency and I believe, guys and girls, it might be happening. So we might be on the verge of another big collapse in Bitcoin. So I'm going to show you exactly how I'm trading it, how I'm preparing for it, how I'm starting to scale into my short trade and what I'm expecting, and how I'm going to do all of this with close to zero risk. So if that sounds like something that is absolutely amazing, then watch this video from the beginning and until the end. And as always, all I'm asking in return for this awesome content that you're learning from on every single day, on everyday basis, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're always notified when I make a new upload, and also like the video. When I see at least 1,000 likes on a video, it motivates me to wake up and the first thing in the morning, before even brushing my teeth, to actually go here and create a video for you. So go down there, click that like button. It's very simple, and some people say that when you start liking the videos of Tom Squalo, your financial situation starts to improve, and I believe in these things. So go and like the video right now. So okay, without any further ado, we've seen this chart before, and we know that we currently are in this squeezing, and right now we are starting to squeeze even more here. And I've showed you this before, and I showed you already that, for example, if this is gonna come to fruition, basically because this is a very important resistance, and all the technical analysis naysayers can say whatever they want, but these things work as long as you are able to spot the major trend correctly. So, and in this instance, our target is going to be, I would say, the vicinity of anywhere from $12,000 to $14,000 target. But before we talk about the breakdown, which we've already spoken about in the previous videos, if you haven't seen previous videos, check them out. And also a previous video, I did a huge video on XRP and my price targets, predictions, and understanding of XRP. Check it out right here. I'm going to link it right here. So now when it comes to Bitcoin, so we are seeing that if we're going to close below this major important support of 18,200, as I told you before, there hasn't been in the local, the local low is a bit lower, so there's going to be some support here as well, obviously at 17,600, but we haven't closed below this support. So if we're going to close below it in 4-hour or daily, that's going to be very, very painful. So obviously in the daily would be the best confirmation. However, I'm already starting to scale into the short with probably zero risk. So let me show you how I'm doing this. So basically we had this very important squeezing. So we have this resistance that is just holding us back right now, really. And we have this support right here, which we just broke going downwards. So this is a perfect squeeze in the middle that the breakdown will have a target of 18,200, which is basically our major important support. So what I did here, I've taken a short trade right here in BitGet with just 6 Bitcoins, so it's like $112,000 short trade, but this is just the beginning of the short trade. There's already a small profit right here. And why did I take it on BitGet? Well, number one, it gives you insane bonuses, and number two, for every single trade you take, if you go to financial record, you're gonna see rebates being credited back into your account. $20, $4, $3, $400, $77, $2, $6. So this is absolutely insane. Even if you're a break-even trader, even if you screw things up, you're gonna end up making money at the end of the day. But you're gonna get this feature only if you're gonna use my link down in the description of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. And as a bonus on top, you will also get these insane bonuses: 20 USDT for simply signing up, then also up to $8,000 in initial deposit bonuses, and all these bonuses that you can see right here, including my paid crypto course if you deposit more than $500. So pause the video, take a look at these bonuses, and if you're not trading on BitGet yet, I don't know why would you miss out on these kinds of bonuses, especially the cashback on trading fees, so that BitGet pays you a salary. So what I did here is very simple. So if we're gonna move down, and I believe that we should reach, at least retest 18,200 at this point, which actually is more than reasonable, it's just $500 away. But I'm gonna be, as we're gonna start to tackle it, if we're gonna be trying to attempt to actually break down this whole big formation with our bigger targets, I'm gonna be already partially in the short trade. And it follows really nicely if you're going to go to the 4-hour chart. And this is, again, I'm teaching you guys how this whole thing works. So, and if you're going to see a wave, another wave. So it's potentially, this move is just going to be a part of this double top formation right here. So this is absolutely beautiful. And this is also like a neckline, breakdown, nice target. So very obvious, very basic, but I'm not doing this to make money on this move. What I want to do is I want to be in this move when potentially, let's take a look at the EMA ribbon, and there it is. So basically the EMA ribbon in the 4-hour chart, again, in the daily we lost it long ago, but in the 4-hour chart we've been trying to fight it. So we've been fighting it here and here, and we were squeezing it with maybe some hopium to actually break above, but we just lost it here as well. So this is a perfect short trade, really. Is it going to be 100% accurate short trade? No. So that's why let me give you a point of invalidation, and there is, guys and girls, a perfect point of invalidation. So if we're going to go above, and where your stop loss should be on the short trade, so if we're going to break above right here, above this support, then suddenly, maybe on some good news, some hopium, whatever it is, or just pure technicals, sometimes it's really difficult to predict in the market to the smallest frequency, so to speak. Then this is going to be on the stabilization, the closure above with some volume above this resistance would be a point of invalidation. Very simple. And again, taking this short trade from here is going to give us the leeway and some leverage to go into this short trade early. But if it's going to decide, because again, I have to, and this is very important, guys and girls, because again, we are really not at the end of this flag yet. So theoretically, we could test it here, then come back, maybe even test it here, and only then break down. As I said, somewhere in October, potentially, we could see this breakdown going downwards. So this is the reason why, you know, just trading the break here would be absolutely fine, but could be a bit late. So that's why I'm always, as a trader, trying to get into trades as early as possible with the least amount of risk, because this is already basically, if it's gonna move against me, I will already be able to close my trade with at least, you know, a tiny loss, or maybe even something as small as like no loss at all. And yeah, so this is the current situation. Again, it doesn't exclude the potential. If we break above this point of invalidation, we close our short trade, and what we do next, that's right, we can even take a long trade from here to our target of about, let's go to the daily chart here, and we're gonna see let's go back to the daily, and we're gonna potentially take a trade up to 21k, or even 20 to 21k in this vicinity. Is going to just simply constitute a move within this flag, which is absolutely beautiful. But again, I wouldn't be expecting any breaks above this resistance though at this point in this macro environment, because this would put us into the zone of a target of about 30,000, so I don't believe that's going to happen. But we can definitely trade inside this flag and prepare at the same time for a massive breakdown that is potentially going to be coming in the current macro environment. I'm going to link a full course to crypto right here, a beginner's one, so you're going to learn a lot and you're going to save yourself a lot of time as well as money. So take a look at it, watch it right now, make some noise down in the comments, and as always, use BitGet, all these insane bonuses and rebates on every single trade you're taking. Link down in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.